Good morning, children. Key factors of democracy we have seen. So in democratic government, we need to understand the universal adult franchise. That also we have seen right to vote based on equality. But right to vote is there, but where is the right of equal living? You need to understand this. Where is the right of equal living? If you see Kanta as a domestic worker, or suppose a sweeper, or the person who is working in an office, all this, are their living standard is same? It is not like that. So in reality, we have to see this. Or if we see similarly on caste system, that is also one discrimination is there. So educated, uneducated, if you go in a village or in society where we are living, people are very much asking about you are of or from which background, your caste is what. So this is also one discrimination. Okay. So up to this we read. Now come to equality and Indian democracy. So that as India is a democracy and we are talking about equality. So what here we have to see? Every individual, including male and female persons from all caste, religion, tribe, economic background, all recognized equal. Every person is equal before law. That we have discussed. No discrimination based on religion, caste, creed, place of birth. Every person has access to all public places. Means everyone can go. No one will ask you within our country you are of which caste, why you are living here, or why we have come to sit here. So every person has access to all public places. Now untouchability has been abolished. This is also is there in our constitution. Now next one is implementation of equality. So now here we have to understand what two ways government has tried to implement. First one, by law, as we have discussed that before law we all are equal, rich or poor, whatever the person is, if they have done any crime, before law we all are equal. The same things to be or the same punishment they all will get. Next one, many programs set up by government to help the underprivileged group. Some major schemes, you have seen this, that Tamil Nadu was the first state to introduce this scheme, that is midday meal. So why government has set up this scheme? Just to increase the enrollment, because earlier what happened, children in the lunch period all are going home, and after that they are not in the their habit is not that to come to school again. So for this, government has set up this to increase the enrollment, that children did not turn up. We have seen this, but in this way children will come. So up to we have seen that equality, second is right to vote, and other kinds of equality. Here you see in this other kinds of equality where government has set up this scheme to this midday meal. So this program has many positive effects. What is that? See, teachers reported earlier that children would often go home and after lunch, but they did not return to school. With midday meal, at least attendance has improved. Then their mothers who earlier had to interrupt their work to feed their children at home during these days, now no longer they are doing these things. So this program has also reduces caste prejudices, because both upper and lower caste children eat meal in the same place or together they are eating. So this program has many positive effects. So today we have seen up to this. Okay, so you read up to where we have done discussed. Then in next class we'll read or we'll take some other topic. Okay, thank you.